Kajia lang banyakran yatir halor ka Article 371A, Article 371G, bat ka Article 244 in bracket 2, lani ka kernet bahenriu ka bala penlong da ka Sankardev College, ha auditorium ka college, Bishnupur Shillong, ha ka khat sautrik urumpang arja arpusan kala kala sya ka rensan banyalap, bat ban penksan ya ka kernet ka bahenriu, na ka jingbom dan ki weipat ki banyatai persya. Kumba kalong katay kamat kaday kabalay karan bha hak election Shaka District Council hak HADC bat JHADC bat ruban kiwen bha harilum khasi jantia. Hakanigas ngi kibla shakot ngo bha bani shimbanta ki kanthop yoba Erwin Case im sutnga senior advocate uba Robert June Kharjaren u vice president ka United Democratic Party UDP uba Manuel Badwar u secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Mewan Ker Lingdo u khot ka Bharatiya Janata Party bat ka Dr. Fenala Lingdo nong lat kum ka nong esat an. Haba ajin kran hakanigas ngi kiriu shampang kila mach pang ya kom trekam ka Article 371 bat kum no ban pinki wen ya ka jilla lada wanra haki District Council kat kum kariti sensyar kari India. Haba kran kila pens nguru ya ka jingdon kam ban penjana shu ya ka kernet bahenriu ka baka jaj penriu khasi ka yok pediang bat ban ya nu jor ya ka kom trekam ka Article 371 haki weipat ki jilla.
Kitu kiba ki perlok ki jongi ki bong baka article lais pa nyo huwei kumno kadon hapo nagalan pitip nem ya kecil sisa baka nagalan kadon arbenta kadon kanaga hills bat kanaga tribal area ya kabaki om ke eastern nagalan benta hakasin hapor bala penterikam nekong du ya kesik schedule lan lawan ra nekong du ya kesik schedule kanaga hill bat kanaga tribal area ka hapo ja kesik schedule tangba namat baki naka kimla ban plik pedien ya kata belum bagi naga ke hab hapo aja ke asam lani ke hab hari India syamlala ban stand up ya ke discussion hari initially naga hill and naga tribal area fall under 6 schedule pek ya ka amen pek ya ka original 6 schedule nadu basta kilometer hadin kata apa kidon kitu ki emergency kawan ke 16 point of agreement anda lawan ke 16 point of agreement kisah shim ya kini ki benta jo ke schedule kisah tho hakalai spa nya kuai kamdei bakalai spa nya kuai kami la ke jong ki shim na ke schedule ki tho hakalai spa nya kuai la da ki puli the entire life spa nya kuai phir su tho ba bleng dari ke jong Tidak haba kadai keju kumno pitho artli ki constitutional provision haka jo ka tribal area it cannot be. Kamla berlong lalu ya. Lalu pisim mi constitution kum ka novel book benetho khana puruskam kolom. Hari lalu pisim mi constitution kum darti penyekam haka sensar kadar kamla along is not possible. How can two constitutional provision apply in the same tribal area? It cannot be. Kata kada di ke bangi sahab ban so thu no play page history jota kubang om kata ka para 12 original para 12 jota schedule kadai kalai spa nyo kuwe ke ba pinpek ka Mizoram nikong hanin bakayo ya Lusai Hill hakapor pa kadang don ka Lusai Hill ka Mizoram kasna lightly ki regional council kalai ka chakma bat kamara nado pagdang don kung sahil la don pa likely ki regional council hadin bagi layo yak union territory ki mizo kita perkhat bakala biang ye ki baniada ki bakala ki panno yak lai spa nya kuwe ki mlasho non phai sa sik sedul kay ki duna ja sik sedul ke jongi ke batri ka ma mekhlia ka lomba kawan ka ra kabong ba ki an jong ka diskonsil la de tengku put ki an jong ka sarkar jala kin yeng no ki an jong ka sarkar jala hato ka ne kalong legally if tested in the code of law kumno in one hand pi om ba shim ye ki bo no pinsna an another hand pi om ba de tengku ka te kan trikam no I imagine if anyone challenge article 12A in the code of law how will the code give a judgment? It will be a very interesting thing. Now takadaw habang ngingi keren ya kini ba ladangi pai history ngila bang kinomla bantrikam but haba kimla bantrikam ngila ladangi haban jin kawai kumba kumbangi ong mene Kalai sepak nyo kuwe kadai tang kuwe ke paragraf jang kasing schedule. Kumno pin ong baka klaim kata kemudian tang kuwe ke paragraf ban ya kemudian arpo tali ke paragraf. Kasing schedule kan arpo tali ke paragraf kalong mini constitution within itself. But om dai tang kalong mini constitution kalong comprehensive ban ya da tribal katba ka article lai sepak nyo kuwe kamlong kunta. Na takadaw the need but ong kata ka jingi keren ya kalai sepak nyo kuwi apo ka jalan mekhlia ka jongi it does not arise hajaka bangin ong bangin depan ya kita ka bae ka bangidon kam manta kalong ngilit thai biak char tu original schedule ka bangin yo protection under para 12
article 371 kalong kapa lada ki tribals nawe ki jaka ki pan bangiru ikwa panyo kata ka senchar kadal belong ko presentation notice ko belong ta meghalia kesukaan kemana bahaya berokhai tekat onggen komersi ongno penangkap di artikel 371 hendai ong ini pidon kami histit jumpi kenakalan kumo ong iba meneh kalau long too proud they didn't want to be a part mungkin kwa bandon hapo ka asam tak dah video no hendai kiwi state part kum kiwi Andhra Pradesh Sikkim Goa Karnataka kat bagi pan ki ong ai ka article 371 tamba ong pidon kami yu pikwa sepang kerti ke dustur pikwa sepang ke religion pikwa sepang ni it's a process opinion ndi bo ong bab yo article 371 ni ulut takadaw ki sadan mo mo si ong no article 371 a ka din ang taon na kalan B Assam C Manipur D Andhra Pradesh E Sikkim F Sikkim biang nomor bala divide into two Mizoram G Sutho M tikipan ke man ki state pe ke jing pensutho jonga kalong kali nice because nam da than ta ki lawyer te kalong long mo ong no constitution for dummies telong haba ki pan kita ki the obviously ka pass through the act of parliament kin sayo kanya to ka an te bangong ngin nujur hi na padang ka article 371 but ka 6th schedule there's a huge difference lada pipet kumong isa mene ka article 371 kalah bandan baro atli he ko state namar ba kitu ki state kem cover the geography baro ko hapo Mizoram ka 6th schedule ka cover tang ye chakma kilai but ki mara ki badai tang sha South Mizoram ka Mizoram ka badai bah kidan ta khatwai kan alak population itu 6th schedule li dan tang hi jaka bat I'll say 30% of the entire geography tiki bizo ki tiang am baswe ki myo ko mo yang bai ba isa mane pan man article 371 kila etok la kila don pan 6th schedule Assam ka 6th schedule area ko mo si ono ka area under schedule area kidai tang ki ai tang bodo ukarbi berkata kachar belt babon kim dai kidang don show iwi tribe ru kum kim missing ki tika asam kam ko apa na 6th schedule gitu baro hai ka sarkar kam ko nomor 6th schedule along too comprehensive kala ai bor plan tigi ong ko ada ini article teteng kidang ki state ki ba exist lang ke ni kita henengi ham meghalian chu khanai phi ba phi tiplut hi 97% of our geography is already under scheduled area. Then pan article 371 say again pan. Long it doesn't make sense there. Along counterproductive mo masyo no. Mizawara ka article 371 if at all kan long applicable no tang ka please razar. Maybe so to te ban shukran ban bin chong shit pan shasurok shasikin klam ya merjung mud ban klam ya tainia kham bnya. Kalau nggak batian kan benong ya ke constitution hi kan namar sisian ba pipen ki ba pitweak ya ke constitution ba pin phai biang kam le basuk ba sisian ba pis dang ya kan ni khamtam bagi don ki sarkar ki ba pher ka don ki sarkar ru benong ki sarkar pedeng ni kin kemen bha kum kalong nang ta sarkar pedeng ni ka kemen bha ban dilute ya ta power ka bangi kum kita ki tribal area hang ni ngiyo.
When we talk about article 371, although it gives the special powers 371A and G special powers to the respective state whereby the religious and social practices, the customary and procedure and administration of civil and criminal justices cannot be interfered by anyone. It gives a free hand to that particular state. But then a rider comes which states, shall apply to the state of Nagaland unless, this is the rider, unless this legislative assembly of that particular state by resolution so decides. This means that if 371 comes into play in our state, Parliament will have its power to invoke Article 368 amendment of the Constitution, whereby it will lead to the dissolution of the District Council, because Article 242 will also come into play, the doctrine of repugnancy, whereby the central law will always prevail over the state laws. On the other hand, if we talk about the 6th schedule, which empowers our state, which empowers our council, one has to understand why the term autonomous is there. Autonomous means independence. It gives our people, our representative, the independence to make laws, frame laws, and enact the laws that they've made, or legislate those laws without any interference, giving them a free hand, whereby after a bill has been introduced in the district council, they can pass a resolution. After getting assent from the governor, that bill can become law, which will protect our customary rights, our land, the tribal belt, and so on and so forth.
You see, the basic problem with Article 371, which is Article 3 lies by the way, kadai kabanun kuit, kabanun kuit kabanun ja. It is a naked provision within the Constitution. Why? At the time when the Nagas signed the 16-point agreement, the kanika 100-point agreement bagi sign kinaga. Kila ong banyada yang kerti kedustur, banyada yang kandau siap, banyada yang kerkom sencap bisa, handai ke ego baca. Hapo ke Union Jack ke 7 schedule, kipon ki mat pada kum ka banti penyam, banti uduyom, bat keba, kelat aku ski bang akran yang no sign ma kadai ke control of atomic energy and its minerals, uranium. Mo, hani Haji Syah, kalau di political party kita tak. KBBP, Ong Minum Syah, di uranium. Handrai ke N36, hapok ke Union Jack na 7 schedule, kalau play lupa ke jingkan, lada kiban rakyat 371. Namar ke constitutional process ika ong kai. What does the constitutional process state? It states that any subject within the powers of Parliament, once you have Article 371, then the Union list will override the state list, it will override the concurrent list. The beauty about the 6th schedule is, the Supreme Court in Regional Provident Fund Commissioner versus Shillong City Bus Syndicate from here, it has given a clear ruling that the space occupied by Para 3, land, custom, appointment and succession of chiefs and headmen, marriage and divorce, administration of villages, administration of towns, agriculture, agriculture, all these are sacrosanct. Kini kilalang kentang hapok ke Para 3, even Parliament cannot pass any acts on this subject. The state government cannot pass any resolution, any motion on this, or pass any acts on the subjects within Para 3. Now we have a naked provision. We have a provision which is protected even by the Supreme Court. Are we willing to risk this? Ngitre ban surrender ki hok ki jongi ki badang apa ki schedule ban play ki tingkang pada central government. This is the question. Now, forests. Somebody asked me a question when they saw my interview. Why NGT passed the timber ban? NGT passed the timber ban because of the Forest Conservation Act, which falls under the concurrent list. And by the play of Article 254, where when the acts of a state government and the acts of a central government, they conflict, then the acts of the central government will prevail. But we have a mechanism in the 6th schedule, para 12 AB, which says that the president shall decide whether a central act shall apply or not apply, with such exceptions or modifications. But here there is also a ruling, in the same ruling, the Supreme Court has said all acts of parliament apply unless the district council and the state government say it will not apply. That is why, takadaw, PJ economic fund, you elect your representative. First, you elect somebody who knows our tradition, who knows our custom. That means he supports the matrilineal system. We can again meet, but for those of you who are really interested, you send me a message on my WhatsApp. I'll send you all the documentation, and you read. And you read. Don't just be blinded by propaganda on WhatsApp. Huh? Because we have so many wise men and wise women in WhatsApp. But when they come out of social media and they have to face the reality of the world, then that wisdom disappears. It disappears just like magic. No more. And we are left again in darkness. So from the darkness into the light. Na kaching dum, sha kaching sha. Nomor balik ide ke chat penriu tip lay. Ke chat penriu tip tip kha. Ngide ke chat penriu pa ajak kami. Pat mundon mano balak pan kini ngide mangi balak pan dia ka. Takada chief yaki MDC who know the customs, elect MDCs who understand the 6th schedule, who understand the needs of the people. Compassion for the poor and needy.
Kani ki long hadu ka thrai ji ai jumot tuna ka long kitu ki bakwa lai spa nya kuwe wan ra sha da ko we ga jelang thrai da wan ra da ko we ga jelang ba thamai la yo ka new statehood khasi jaitia kum balong min chwang yo ning kom do ka district council house nam hak nei spa san pu a ha bang yo e ka united khasi and jaitia district council autonomous district council ti khato ni thrai ni ban yo shai kata ni se penrung gini lai spa ni ndai had den ka dus nam ni long jelangi san post nam adin san post nam yo jelang ni sam kwa isi kata ti ngat thrai pen bhag ni gini namari kani ka section del am ka bangi yo mani am kalong kerpang bhag kalong ka tu kin tien ka state ka cek bendeu ka white lam ka cek bendeu kum bakal ka sembal ni jaga district council kadan ka state kadan kitu ki ka white lam kidan khnam aro mo kitu kidi kinya dan kidi ke thama jaga cek bendeu ka mencuangi je le ba mentang ye le da ke da ka section del ni mele shu de kitu kita kalong tang ki sembal jungi menchua ki sembal bangit ngari snam bungi ukong kari snam jungi menta kadan kam da ki ni snam ki badan habo district council kum kita ki klawai banya dai kari baga jai kari nama menta menta misuse menta kata don't misuse the section ki MDC menta kadan don't unuse ki kan ka section kalau unuse tu menta kam pendan kam menta kala mi thet janduk buat teman, tengah kabhahi pipin pen kok buat dah kita kinong kiba pipin pen kok buat mapi. The empowerment of people, then govern through their elected representative. Lada pen kok buat dah ladi, dah kita kinong mikmat jampi. Badan sisa kita kok buat ikhtiar balik badan kam, balik badan ni ban misuse, ban use ke, mana lah orang IP unuse. Mana yang keren ni hapok kuat district council. Kod jangka district council ni dan KHDC, JHDC kod jangka senteng JHDC cakap. Nrai ni apa kod KHDC, judge kasi, leader kasi, nang IKS kasi, nang sya IKS kasi, ni keren dek ada kaparing. Ni atai ada kaparing. What i hasi rai beri tu dia, mau man kan beri Robert, ni apa ada ke? Dek kaparing. Ni kapan kau buat dalam ini? Jadi, ni keren ni official language agak schedule, agak schedule jangka parlimen. Nrai hapus district council pangidan 100% kinang mikmat jalan jangka jauh. Jadi ke official language jami. Tangga sedar area tengok, ngami kerana bahasa bah. Tangga sedar area jami ini thok ini penmiki an. Nak district council nak kena jauh kan. Nak try kan ni hingga artikel tu aku perak dan lupa aku. Banpen ko board ka culture riti dustur kanyam kam banpen ko board ka script ka thok tar banpen ko board ka language ka clean clear shay gani nidan ka menta ban le ya ka badan kam de namar asyik kuah ya KKA ndrei ya badan kam ke tetap kendiat ni benda. So we have a lot of we demands lots of wants, but we perform less of our need ke. Tengah hang idan kam menta bangin le ke badai, but bangin kum kecek ringin ya cekmat ke cek syai ke cek suthu bangin kermans kem. O le ai bor ya phi kinong nong diet kinong vote mo. Pindah ke badai ban vote ya badai nama kadai hak lang try ke jamfi dan bala man khang man menuru ka section ngam ni mga pin kasani ka section ni ka lais pa nya kuwai pero an OAP ki di constitutional provision ki badan ha constitution sima adan constitution ki na ban ang kalong ka bom dai long ki badai dai so thok ai go bidan ha kti jo pinga dan kat ka section so ha ban phai ki ngin ben klan ni ka section ka amendment ka batmai ka sawan man taw snami ka sawan ka section ka batmai ka amendment ka batmai Kabang kerman memang ada ai ka legal recommendation cengaru bangin wen noi ka to ka khat ka namar ba ka wet pa namar ba kan ka state ka jong hi ka dan kasi jai tia ka ru teng teng ada ni permi ka ai na district council kim de ban khalam tang haki jong la jong ke de la ban khalam na ba de gi man khalam na po asalan ke
Hadian kani la don ru ka jing kran hapadang gi rew shampang bat ki samla puli ki bla bo jing kli halor ka jing kata ka article 371 bat haba pai kten ki la ong bakitu ki bala thmu ban wan ra ya ka article 371 ki don kam ban sngo thu bha ya ka riti sanchar kari India namar baya ka kharnet ban rew lamang karpang ya ki jelari lum ki badon ya ka riti dostor bat ka kol shor ka ba pher na ki wei pat ki nong shong snong kari India
Agabadi bat ka jikili ka ban kong da makala ka ni ka excluded partially excluded state and non-state. Haka present context kini kimlong relevant show muda. Balik kimlong relevant show muda. Hadin ba kawan ka IOA. Hadin ba kiskim kijungi kelasannya ka IOA. But kawai na provision jo ka IOA kiong ba day ban wanra betang kawai ka administration. Kabumut ba kata ka state and non-state. Kau balik ki state pensua. Kidon kini ki hapon bagi pareng ki wan akan naga jala ka jongi kei ke bagi le tolong ba kidon kita ki British villages ki ba mentaki kelas leadership but kidon kini ki state ki badai ki itu ki hima ki badang sencar muslim kemudian badang sencar ki muslim ki lendo ki udang ne itu ki kasih state lani itu ki ship lani ki lendo ship ke mengiong ti la hakapor baka sarkar pareng ka sensyar ni idon arteli ki administration kawai ni khot ki khasi state kawai pat ni khot ka khasi jentia district hak tu kapor balik khasi jentia no balik baro kawai ka khasi jentia hil ba arwin ni pai ta hadin ba u sim jong ka hima jentia tre shu ban sensyar ya kani ka rilum nomor ki shakni no ya jentia paragana lani ka rithor ka badon ka chen ke pur ke bahap menta po Bangladesh ti kidon arteli entity kita ki state and non state ti hapor pa kawan ka ini kawan ke single administration but ka sarkar India hadin ka constituent assembly hakapor pa kawan ra sa chidulu ka club bet baro arteli haju ti ka kala long irrelevant no menta baro ala dengan nyait bet ka para 20 jong ka chidul but ka 2442 kadi ka kalabe tribal area baro koi Like now kini ki normal selong area, but ki cantonment area. Like now kita the entire state and non-state has been clubbed under one administration. Hak tu kopor ketika United Khasiat Jentihil atau Moses Council mentabat bagi Radon Arteli Khasihil batka Jentihil. Kini ki non-state mentah ko Khasihil ki kelas leadership. Ki board ki don ki leadership. Tungki marbi isu leadership itu. Ndrei mentah kalau irrelevant no kata mo play kejingwan ke sedul ke combine biang ya kata ka divide and rule jongka British policy. We jadi kita. Kabar hababi snap ya kejingkeran akan tu pi snap the entire speech jongka no kejingkeran. Na shim si ponya point. Balik ang kalong preventive kung bang ang shwa kata ngalaya thu ya history jongka article lai spak no kuai. Kaaspa lain nyokui is nothing but just a para 12 of the century. Kumangong. Ka original para 12 kabodon haka asam mentang. Ti habang ada itang ka para 12 jong ka schedule. Ngam omba ka schedule kamlong preventive in nature. Kadon ka preventive in nature in the form of para 12. Tangba nila no yang kata nomor kawan no para 12 Kawan no para 12 na takadaw ni omba hajaka pengin dawai kalau sepak nyokui why don't we go back to para 12 Kemudian ke original lane kita ke jingmi jong kalai sebab ngakui. Kinaga kita tang ngila benong kumni. Kinaga bat mizo kita tang paratual jong ke sikchedul. Ngipat kita barok kawai ka sikchedul. Filosofi kita ke point, including a preventive measure. Kemudian ini hak konsep jong ke paratual. Katang ini bersuatu nama beli ni omba ki an jong kasorkan India bat ki an jong kasorkan jalakin nom trikam. Apo jong kita ibu lagi kata kalau don paratual ikan trip ya paratual berkumpul orang api mana saka paratual ebi kong governor ulah ban exam any law of the parliament. Omde tang kaan lor kendo lani ngamak kendo lani kiriti kidustur berganiam terkop any law of the parliament the governor can examine. Who is a governor? Governor always acts under the advice of the council of minister, which means the state government. In the context jongi pat nada kawan pin katu which means the district council along with the state government may advise the governor to exempt Yeshibun Kilo.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka batau bha kam kta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba kam bha ka jing im ba kam bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya